Hey entrepreneurs, I'm Frank with the Builderall team, and I'd like to first start off by welcoming our new Builderall members, as well as taking a moment to express and show our appreciation and gratitude for our existing and experienced members that make up an amazing and fine community. Thank you for being a part of yet another fantastic week while placing focus on growing your business. We have a lot going on and even more on the way as we approach Builderall 6.0 in the upcoming months. For many, entering into the world of entrepreneurship for the first time may be intimidating, but I can promise you that there is no better environment in which to start a business than right here. Builderall is here to help people become entrepreneurs, change their lives, and even impact those around them as they create success, not only in building their own business, but helping others to do the same. And just as you expected, it's time for this week's Builderall Weekly Update. A couple of key things coming your way. MailingBoss has new servers installed, and it's now looking like we are closer to a full release of MailingBoss 5.0, just in time for the spring. Our progress has been substantial, and I look forward to bringing you the latest updates as we near this important and amazing milestone. Builderall Affiliate Sales Page is getting a huge makeover. With this important update comes content that will surely turn the heads of future affiliates and our competitors. The huge undertaking is underway. We'll let you know when our new sales page is set to go live. New Funnel Showcase. I can't wait for this. Funnel Club members will have exclusive access to funnel specifics by category, which includes content like Funnel Preview, Funnel Access, ad copy, and graphics to help support the promotion and use of the funnel design that you choose. Cool stuff is definitely on its way, and I hear there's even more stuff brewing. Now, onto a few software updates, mostly from inside your Builderall's Cheetah WordPress plugin, like Progress Bar Element, Counter Element, Carousel Element, Floating Buttons. New features also include the redirection to a URL once a timer element runs out. And you now can configure whether you want to create new pages in Canvas or in default mode. Now, let's not forget about that header icon, a simple, easy way to access the Help Center to learn more, all things related to WordPress. In addition, we've added Site ID and Backup ID inside your very own dashboard. Now, as you know, we have 40 plus digital marketing tools to help grow any business, and our Quiz Builder tool is just one of the many great tools to help build engagement. But this past Tuesday night, Jackie demonstrated a few cool strategies using the Quiz app. So if you missed it, it's okay. You can always catch the replay. Now, if you want to join the panel for a live training with the added benefit of having your questions answered live, then join us right here every Tuesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We look forward to having you. In addition, jump into our daily knowledge upgrade by joining our Builderall University Lives every Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern, directly from inside our Builderall University. Stay connected to our Facebook group for details. And to catch more information from this past week, please check out our Builderall blog at us.blog.builderall.com. And now, just one of many qualities that define a good leader: empathy. Empathy is when you take a moment to understand and share the thoughts, feelings, and experiences of another. Empathy is important for leadership because it allows leaders to connect with others on a more personal level, the type of connection that's critical in growing businesses today. Empathy can be as simple as understanding the quote by Stephen R. Covey. Most people do not listen with the intent to understand. They listen with the intent to reply. And that's my time, everyone. Don't forget to like, leave a cool comment, and subscribe. Have a great weekend.